In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook to Hootsuite. As many of you know, managing multiple social media accounts can be quite the juggling act. Luckily, tools like Hootsuite make it easier to keep everything in one place. Today, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of linking your Facebook account to Hootsuite, making your social media management a breeze. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hootsuite website. You'll be greeted with their homepage, a gateway to simplifying your social media management. Once there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen. On the login screen, you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Hootsuite account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in the process. After you've filled in your email, it's time to input your password. Remember, your password is the key to keeping your account secure, so never share it with anyone. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the sign in button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. Navigating through Hootsuite's interface can be quite intuitive. Once logged in, you'll be looking for your profile settings. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the screen. It's your access point to modifying your account settings and preferences. Click on your profile and select Social Accounts and Teams from the drop-down menu. This section is where the magic of managing multiple social media platforms from a single dashboard unfolds. Upon selecting Social Accounts and Teams, you'll then need to click on Private Account. This option is crucial as it deals with the accounts directly under your personal management. It's here that Hootsuite allows you a degree of control over your social media channels, giving you the option to add or remove them as needed. Now, for the reason we're all here, to add your Facebook account to Hootsuite, within the private account section, look for the option labeled Add an account to Hootsuite and click on it. This brings up a list of all the social networks that Hootsuite supports. From this list, select Facebook to begin the process of integrating your Facebook account with Hootsuite. At this juncture, Hootsuite might prompt you to log into your Facebook account. This step is necessary for authentication purposes and allows Hootsuite to access your Facebook information. Proceed to log into your Facebook account, ensuring you're authorizing the correct account that you wish to manage through Hootsuite. After successfully logging into your Facebook account, you might be asked to grant Hootsuite certain permissions. This is standard procedure for any third-party app or service that needs to interact with your Facebook account. Review these permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, go ahead and accept them. This step solidifies the link between your Facebook and Hootsuite accounts, essentially giving Hootsuite the thumbs up to manage your Facebook social media content. Following these permissions, you might see a confirmation dialog or notification indicating that your Facebook account has been successfully linked to Hootsuite. This means you're almost ready to start managing your Facebook social media directly from Hootsuite's dashboard. And there you have it. Your Facebook account is now added to your Hootsuite dashboard, allowing you to publish, monitor, and manage your Facebook content side by side with your other social media platforms. This integration streamlines your social media tasks, saving you time and ensuring a consistent online presence. Before we wrap up, a few tips to remember. Always review the permissions requested by third-party platforms like Hootsuite when linking your social media accounts. It's essential to maintain control over what access these platforms have. Additionally, take some time to familiarize yourself with Hootsuite's dashboard and features. They offer a host of tools designed to make your social media management more effective and efficient. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on adding your Facebook account to Hootsuite. Whether you're a business owner, a digital marketer, or just looking to streamline your online presence, mastering these tools can significantly enhance your social media strategy. Happy posting, and see you in our next tutorial for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your social media management tools.